chance. Dialogue Fiji have opened a door of opportunity for stakeholders to come and discuss pertinent issues that are critically important for government to consider, especially in preparing for the next National Development Plan. I think it's important for government ministries to be present as well and take on board the thinking behind thematic areas, the issues discussed. Like yesterday, we have debt, the discussion of debt, the sustainability of our economy. Today, we look at the social safety nets, the distributive policies. These are critical issues that we need to discuss, so that we can arrive at alternative solutions from what government have at present, and look at other opportunities that will provide the avenue that we resolve these problematic areas and improve quality of life for our citizens.